tunnel. Put your sunglasses down. It's starting to rain a little bit. I see a thunderhead. Hit a horn. I see a thunderhead, and it's a big one. It's all across here. You can see it. That's all rain right there. And looks like I'm headed toward it. I'm on 334. Well, 337 now of Blue Ridge Parkway. Woo. Whoa, gotta find a pull over here. All right. So maybe I can put on my rain jacket now before I get drenched too bad. It's raining pretty good. See, all that right there is rain, thunderhead. I got a feeling this is not going to be the 10-minute rain. But what do you do? This is the joy of riding a motorcycle. I don't mind riding in the rain. It's kind of fun and challenging. Okay. So, see how hard it's raining right there? If you have a chance, find your tree like this. That helps. And first thing to put on is a jacket. Yeah, it wouldn't really be a trip in the mountains if you didn't get wet, if you didn't get in some rain. Well, it's coming down too. Now sometimes you go through the process of putting on your rain gear and then you end up having to take it all off. You get out of the rain, and this is about $125 rain jacket, pants, straps, suspenders. And put your foot in just like putting on trousers. Okay, we'll cut this for a second. Okay, I'm in my Zook suit. Jacket, pants, shoe covers, and see those white clouds over there. There's white clouds over there. It's not really raining over there, but this is a dark cloud. And you can see the haze over here. That haze over there, that's all rain. So in some spots where you see the white clouds, they're not raining, but these dark clouds, that's all rain. Yeah, I got a feeling it's going to be a good trip in the rain. Which again, the rain doesn't bother me. I like riding in the rain. Can't go real fast, but it's challenging, it's kind of fun. And I put Rain-X on my windshield this morning. And remember, that's the plastic Rain-X, And you see that? It's kind of beating off real good. And so once you get about 30 miles an hour, it'll just blow right off. Okay. Now, here's my bag. And I know I'm going to have to take this camera off because you're not going to be able to see anything with this camera once I get going, because I know raindrops get up on the lens here and they stick, and I don't want to damage my camera either. I guess it's a little selfish of me. But I saw that thunderhead. I saw it. Okay, I rode out of that rain in about 15 minutes or so. You see like a bluebird day right there. Behind me, you got these dark clouds right here. Well, that's where the rain's at. And the rain may be in front of me too, but looking at this overlook right here, all this white cloudy stuff is vapor coming up off the ground. All of that is from rain hitting that. It's really beautiful, like the clouds coming up. And so on a motorcycle, you get to ride through all that. You have to be careful it's not too foggy, but it's really pretty. It's really lifting up pretty quick too. It's dissipating. So right there, it's like rain cloud. That's a rain cloud. So we'll see what happens. And get on the beast again. All right. Isn't that beautiful though? Man, I tell you, I love the rain. I love when it rains. It's way back over there, all that right there, it's going to rain pretty hard over there. Trusty thermos. All this water makes you thirsty, right? Okay, we just left that overlook, and it won't take long for this pavement to dry back out. And see, in front of me is another rain cloud. I've still got my rain jacket on because I don't know, run into it again. Riding a motorcycle is a lot of fun, like riding a roller coaster. Except it's not a 5-minute ride, you can ride all day. I'm going downhill. I gave a little bit of gas. You see the fog right here, right? That's what you see on the mountain coming up. But it just adds another dimension to riding in the mountains and the parkways and stuff when you have some rain. These tires on motorcycles are really well made if you buy a decent set of them. That's the key. Buy a decent set of them. And nice Can-Am. And they hold the road even in the rain like a car. Maybe not quite as good as a car, but I mean, it's really close. Now, the last thing in the world you want to do on a motorcycle is hydroplane. You don't want a hydroplane. See that dark cloud over here? That's rain cloud too. And on the other side over there, that's clear. And we're going through twin tunnels here. See one tunnel, we see the other tunnel coming up on the other side. And I always blow the horn. always bring your sunglasses down. Look how rough the edges of this wall is. Just like this is where this was blowed out, to show you how it was done back in the old days. Another look. Looks like clouds coming up, but it's the vapor. Early in the morning when daylight comes up, you'll see the same thing in the morning. It starts to heat up. You get that evaporation, the fog and stuff. Here we have another tunnel. I like the tunnel. Now see, well, it did rain a little bit right here, going south. You see a lot more tunnels. There's 22 tunnels, I believe, on the Parkway. I got a video on a lot of the tunnels on the Parkway. I can tell you, I'm only using 2 gears on this 1800 Goldwing. For 90% of my riding on the Parkway, I only have to use 2 gears. That's a high gear and one down from that. To go up the hill like this. Going downhill, I can go in high gear and I'm at the right speed. I don't even have to touch my brakes. So that's another good thing about the bigger engine, the 1800. But they have engines bigger than that now, but it all depends on your transmission, I guess. Well, he's in that convertible. It's starting to rain again. He's going to have to let the top up. It's starting to rain harder, isn't it? Yeah, this is where he needs to be, right here. Let the top up on that pretty boy. Oh, nice looking. What's that? 55, 50. I know it's a Thunderbird. 55, 56 mile reproduction of the original Thunderbird. That's a bad car. I saw Mount Mitchell behind us. Take a trip up to Mount Mitchell. I got a video on Mount Mitchell too. Ooh, Lord have mercy. He come out too slow to me. I was paying attention to him. I didn't even see what was back there. He was coming out of. Watch for ice in the tunnel. Oh yeah, we're gonna get with the crowd. Pkwy Garden Visitor Center. Been there. There's the view. Nice sheer cliff wall there. There's the bridge, Swanee River. A nice bridge. The temperature's dropped. It's 64 degrees right here, and it's already rained on top of the hill there, it looks like. The clouds will come down when they get heavy enough too on top of the mountain, but one, the temperature has dropped. Two, it's getting a little bit darker. it's coming. Because you don't know where you're going to end up on these roads, you know. And see how the road is going right now? I'm going right into the heart of this rainstorm if I keep going this direction. So, we'll see. But you can kind of see behind me a little bit that the sky is pretty blue, and you got the white clouds and all that. Always a sign of good weather. But that's just the way the weather works up here. The highest elevation, Blue Ridge Parkway right there. See how dark it is right here? Okay guys, look at this right here. Now, this is dark. That is really dark right there. And it's already rained here some. And this is our road. And I just came from that direction and I could feel the air temperature, drop, maybe 5, 6, 7 degrees. And when you feel that, you know something's fixing to happen, which I saw this dark cloud here anyway. So I knew it was a rain cloud. So the temperature drops, it gets dark, the second thing, third thing, you can smell it. I can smell it here, the rain. It's like smelling the water beside a waterfall. And see this mist coming up. And I'm not sure where this road is going to take me. It may take me right down into that. I don't know. But so you got this side right here, and then we turn, and look, we got beautiful blue sky right here, the white clouds. And then we have some dark clouds here. And straight ahead, maybe you can see that. There's a shadow, it's a vertical shadow going down. That's rain pouring down. That's what that is. That's a heavy thunderstorm. But you don't always get thunder, you don't always get lightning and thunder. But that's the heavy rain falling right there, wherever that is. And you see, you can drive through it. I'm getting a few drops right here. I'm about to put on my rain jacket just in case. But anyway, it can get dangerous going through the fog now. That is one thing that you have to worry about riding. So, better be safe than sorry. Put on my rain jacket. Because I'm only like 15 miles from where I want to be to probably spend the night. And I rode in the rain early, but look how dark that is. I mean, that's just black. But I like riding in the rain anyway. Not all the time, but you know, it's always a unique experience. Well, let me get ready for it. Okay, guys. Last time you saw me, we saw that dark cloud and stuff, and rain and fog and all that stuff. And I came around from that, and it was raining a little bit, and I thought I was going to miss it and be on the outside of it, and actually, the road took me right into it. There was a lot of fog, but it lifted up. Say like top of these trees right here, the fog lifted up, so I could actually see the road, but there was still some fog there, and it was raining pretty hard, and it was dark, and but otherwise it was fun. It was kind of fun anyway to ride in the rain, as long as you can see. And once I got through that part of it, this is where I'm at now. After you drive through a storm, then you've got this beautiful scenery right here. And up here is another rain cloud, and there's a road that's going up that way. So I might be hitting another rainstorm. I don't know, but it's still like raining back over that way. But I'm only like 15. I'm at 445, I think, on the mile marker. 469 is the end of the Blue Ridge. So, don't have about, what, 24 more miles? So we're almost there. Just giving you a update. And this is called Yellowface. View Yellowface, elevation 6,032. Elevation here 5,588. A little over a mile high. Okay. Man, that is so pretty over there. Beautiful. Take care, guys.